Good afternoon, everyone. This is Preston with Spare Time. This is day 2 at camp. We're in Natchitoches, Louisiana at Grand Encore Camp. We did a brief introduction yesterday. We set up the camper. We'll go over more of that possibly tomorrow. But for today, we've had a good day. We've set up, pretty much finished setting up everything. And now it's time for dinner, so we're gonna cook. We're just gonna do some quick buffalo wings, show you what we're working with. We just have a little expert grill to cook the wings on, and I'll take you through it as we do it. Okay, this is what we're cooking today, just some chicken wings. We're gonna do some buffalo wings. Right now it's just raw wings seasoned with herbs, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. We're gonna put them on the pit. Again, it's a gas grill. Just going to put them on there until they're well done, and then we'll go to the next step. Alright, as you can tell, that was just one standard pack of chicken wings from Walmart. Putting them on low heat. Just going to cook them until they're done. Alright, we'll take a break and then we'll start back up after the next phase. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Should be time to flip the chicken wings, so that's what we're going to do at this time. As you can see, we're not worrying about grill marks or anything like that. We are going to make these buffalo wings, so they will be covered with sauce anyway, so the grill marks don't really matter. we'll close the lid and leave them for about another 20 minutes and we'll check them again. Okay, the wings should be done. We'll move on to the next step. As you can see, we have 2 layers of tinfoil laid out. So what we're gonna do is put about 9 wings on each one. Now that we have 9, we're gonna make kind of a little tray for them. And we have 3 different sauces. The first one being a soy sauce with chili pepper, sesame, and garlic. Just gonna pour some over it. Not all of it, of course, but just a coating. Okay, now that they're coated, just wrap them up nice and tight, make a little packet. Okay, now we'll start with the next 9. And then we'll just go ahead and take the others. We have it prepared for the other one, so we'll go ahead and put the 9 on there so we can go ahead and get them off the pit.
Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Okay, on this one, we're gonna put spicy garlic. Buffalo with a kick of garlic. And on the last one, we're gonna put Frank's Red Hot Wings. We're not gonna put quite as much sauce on these because that goes a little further since it's more liquid.
giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Now we have 3 packets. I'm just gonna put them back on the pit.
Well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body, your mind.
All right, we'll leave those on the pit for about 10-15 minutes. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes on the pit, so we're going to take them off. Should be ready to go. All right. I'm going to show you how these look.
Smells like the soy sauce.
Okay, again, that's just 1 pack of buffalo wings from Walmart, 3 different flavors of sauce. This is just a very simple little camp cook. Takes about an hour to do. Tastes real good and good for a whole family. Obviously, you can have multiple different flavors of any flavor you want. All right, I just wanted to show you a simple little camp food that we do. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, like and subscribe.